NB Network with Dee's Fodder.
Hello everybody, it's me Dee, and I'm with the NB Network, and today we are going to be unboxing a box of shadows. This is the May edition. It's the it's the Supreme. I don't remember choosing Supreme. Oh, well, that's what I got. This should be fun. I don't know what's in this box. I no idea. I wanted to open it last night. I was like really tempted to. And I'm like, no, Dee, don't do it. You're going to wait for the surprise. Instead, I just stayed up all night with my wife watching really funny old comedies because we needed that. I know recently, a few weeks ago, my wife and I were dealing with the loss of her grandmother, and then Mother's Day weekend comes around and her other grandmother passed away. And so yeah, it's a real hard emotional time right now for us. You know, we just got off celebrating my birthday and had a lot of good family time, and then Mother's Day weekend, and it's been, you know, I'm concerned about my wife's parents. I love them so much, and I know this has been really hard for them too. So last night, you know, we just kind of stayed up and trying to unwind and watch a bunch of silly old movies, and I wanted to open this. And I was teasing myself. It was upstairs in my bedroom with me. And I was like, oh, I want to see this. I want to see this. But I didn't do it. I did not do it. So I'm excited now. And I've been having a hard time getting ready. I did some makeup. I just down, you know? It's just having a rough time. So hopefully there's something in here that's going to make me feel good. We'll see. Let's see here. The Seeker's Guide. It always comes with it. Now this says the Priestess, but my box says the Supreme. So this is probably, the box is probably just misstamped, I'm guessing. Because so my content should be one Tree of Life wrapped pendant. Well, you know what? This doesn't tell me what things are worth. That's interesting. Okay. So let me see here. What is this? Morningstar Gardenia Incense. I don't have any Gardenia incense. This will be cool with the incense burners that I got from the other boxings from the other company. Woo, you can smell it. It's from quality incense from Morningstar. Want to open it up, see what's like. Whoa. Oh, it does come with an incense stand, little tile. That's cute. That really is cute. Ooh, there's a lot of incense in there. That is some nice incense. You can see it all. It's all bundled up in there nicely. Put this back. That's interesting. That's a nice little packet. Put this away for later. Let's see what else I got in here. This box is fragrant. I gotta be careful because that can make me sick. Handmade in USA. What is this? Feel the vibrations around you. Breathe. Change the frequency. Okay. Comfort aromatherapy perfume oil. It's roll on wrist, behind ears, and other pulse points. Do not use if pregnant or have medical conditions. Or other medical. What kind of medical? Well, that's oh, what's in it? Grapeseed oil, avocado oil, comfort essential oil, vitamin E, cedar tips, orange peel, red jasper crystals. Okay, you can see. It looks beautiful. Not sure. I'm not a big fan of citrusy. Huh. I am not going to use this. I don't know if I know someone who would. Because, yeah. Not too keen on that. Huh. What else is in here? Okay, now here's a pouch full of other things. Now this, let's see what I've got in here. This cute little pouch is nicely packaged. Now, it says here, now, this is by a company called Frequency. Frequency. In case anybody was wondering. Now, I think this is the Tree of Life pendant. Oh, I have some chains I could put this on. This is actually really gorgeous. I love this. I really do. Does it say who? Doesn't tell me where it's from though. So I don't know. But I do love it, and I don't know what it's worth either. I wish it would tell me what these things are worth. That would really help to know that the value of this box. But yeah, that is gorgeous. I don't know if you could tell the coloring, but it's gonna be pretty. It's kind of weighty too. And what else? Let's see here. I'm guessing this is raw Rainbow Moonstone, because that's what it looks like. I know you said rainbow, but no, that's what a raw Rainbow Moonstone actually crystals do look like. It's sparkly and pretty. That's pretty cool. And this last one, I'm guessing this is the Goddess Hanging Crystal in here. Okay. Wow, this is packaged up. Okay. I don't even know, man. I'm just like, how is this wrapped up and undo it? You know, I have to tell you guys a little secret here. I've been really spoiled with spiritual goodies. And if I'm going to compare Box of Shadows, spiritual goodies, this month, I am not really all that impressed with Box of Shadows stuff. It's kind of like, I can't get this open. Hey everybody, I'm back, and I got this. It's supposed to be a hanging crystal. Guess this is like little pieces. They've given me some better items in these Box of Shadows. I am guessing I am not going to be very hard and very critical, because there's a quarantine going on and it's really hard to get items to go in boxes. I can imagine hard to get quantity of anything. So I'm going to be a little chill. But if this is all that I'm getting this month, is a pendant, a hanging crystal, a rock, a roll-on oil, and some incense sticks. Box of Shadows. I am not happy. I would rather some credit, something to make up, not charge so much, do something. You could you got to do something for your customers with something like this, because this is pretty disappointing. I am disappointed. I just feel like I just got a bunch of little weird trinkets that don't add much. And this month is about Mother Goddess Gaia and how to live in abundance. Well, I wish I could say something better, you know? I am not happy, folks. This is like, bummer. Bummer, bummer, bummer. I'm sorry to say this, but folks, this is not worth the money at all. I can't tell you guys to run out and buy this right now. Not until some things get fixed up. I'm probably going to just cancel because I don't see any. Nope, nope, nope. And that's sad because this doesn't. Not good. So, boy, that's depressing. I'm just, I could have used some better news, I needed something uplifting, and that just, no, didn't help. Not at all. So, sorry, folks. I wish I could have given you some better news. I like to do an unboxing and be like, yeah, I got something great. Woo, woo. And, I've had so many hits with this company. And then I could feel like sucker punched. I was sucker punched in this. Yeah, this was dismal. I guess when you find something and you're getting somewhere with so much better quality, and then you get this, and it's just like, yeah. Well, it's a good thing I got this now before the 15th when they're supposed to charge me for the next box, because I'm not letting that happen. No. Stop right there. Sorry, Box of Shadows, but we are no longer going to be going together forward. Bye-bye. And, well, I have other things coming in the mail. I have some other videos to be making. I do hope to have much more lighthearted, much more fun, and peppy, better news. I hope soon to come. Yeah. Yeah, that's about it. I'm sorry, everybody. I wish I had a better video to present to y'all. It's just, oh, no. This was so sad. I hate it when it's a fail like this. It's just so depressing. It's like, and I don't even know what this stuff is supposed to be worth. This is not worth my money at all. No. So, yeah. I hope you all are out there being safe still, because it's still scary out there. Some people are jumping ahead, hoping that, they can get out, because I know it's frustrating being locked up in our homes, and trying to keep safe, trying to stay well. Be kind to yourself. I'm going to try and do some stuff and chill and be kind to myself today. And I love you all. I really do. And I hope that this video was educational for you, and take to heart my experience. I mean, if there's stuff here, if this is the kind of thing you want, no judgment. This is my opinion only. This is just, we can disagree. That's okay. It's all good. It's okay to disagree, Because if you really enjoy something like this, then hey, that's great. And I would hope it brings you joy. It did not bring me joy. It left me feeling empty, a little hollow inside. But I hope my next videos, it'll be a little better. And I'll see you next time here on the NB Network. Bye. Love you.
The NB Network with Dee Sparta.